Guys, welcome to Eat Indian channel, and today we will make super easy and really versatile tamarind chutney from scratch. This homemade sauce is perfect with Indian snacks like say samosas, pakoras. You can also use it in stir fries and other dishes. For this recipe, I'm using this dried sweet tamarind which I picked from my local grocery store, from my superstore, and it was in fruit and vegetable section. In the past, I have picked up the dried one from the ethnic section of the store. This is fresh and it stays really well. It has a good shelf life if you put it in the fridge. It's like peas in a pod, except that it's brown in color, and pulp and seed insides are what we are going to be using. So just remove the shell. It's very easy to just peel it off. Then it has a brown stem that we are going to take off as well. Rest of the stuff you can just soak it in water. You can separate it and put it in the water, or just soak the whole thing in. And we will let it sit in water for about 10-15 minutes. After that, it's easy to separate seeds from the pulp. You can strain it, or you can put the entire cup in the water and let everything boil together. We are going to strain it towards the end anyway, so it doesn't matter. Before or after, seeds can be separated at any time. The process to separate seeds from the pulp is really easy, especially if they have been soaking in water for a few minutes. Now we are going to just boil them. So seeds we will discard, pulp still has some nutrition, some flavor that basically makes the chutney. So here in the pan, I'm going to add the water with the pulp and seeds, everything together. We bring it to a boil and we will add in some sugar to make it sweet. 2 to 4 tablespoons of brown sugar or any sugar of your choice, a little bit of salt, and last but not least, we also add in some roasted cumin powder. Once all these contents are mixed well and water has come to a boil, just turn the heat off and let your tamarind juice become a little bit thicker. This happens because of sugar being in this water. So if you've added more sugar, it will thicken up a little bit more, so you can adjust the water accordingly. That's it. Now we are just going to strain it. You can let it cool down and do it, or just put it through a strainer. Seeds and juices will separate, and it looks quite simple, but it has quite a bit of flavor, tanginess from the tamarind, a little bit of sweetness from sugar, a little bit of saltiness, and some flavor from roasted cumin seeds. And that's it. This can be removed. Pulp is all done, and that's it. Your chutney is ready. Dip your samosas in it and enjoy. You can also serve it over say bhel puri or along with pani puri. I hope you like this recipe, guys. Give it a try in your own kitchen and keep watching Eat East Indian.